You asked, how to divide 8,520 by 3 using the long division method. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2840.